So we'll start. Uh, so hello friends, and I hope the chat box will open our place, so it's okay. So you can actually send the chat as well. So I think I'll open it as well. So chat box, so it is open, so you can send in your doubts also. So we'll start with this anthropology introduction. And so I hope you know my name. So I'll give you a brief about who I am. And my name is Siva Raja Rajendran. So this is my name. And what I have done in UPSC is that I have given. So this is a brief. So and actually I should apologize because it is not a good sense to tell my name and not know your name. So, but the point is that everyone is in Zoom class, so I will definitely get to know each one of you. Maybe some people I think we have known each other already. So some of my students are there also. But for others, it is actually it is impolite to tell my name and not know your name. But we will definitely in the future know each other's name, and as the class progresses, I'll also guide you properly. But okay, for now, my name is Sivaraj Rajendran, and what I have done is that in UPSC I have given 9 attempts. In this 9 attempts, I have written 8 mains. So I wrote 8 mains, and these 8 mains I have written from 2012 to 2019. So all these mains I wrote continuously, and in that 6 interviews I have gone. So 6 interviews, and which includes Indian Forest Service also. So Indian Forest Service also I have gone. So this is a brief introduction of who I am, and usually I forget to tell my undergraduation. So I will also tell that. Just a moment. So if anything is not visible or not audible, also please do put in the chat box so that I will make amendments as the class progresses. Okay. So and my undergraduation is BE Electronics and Communication. So electronics and ECE, Electronics and Communication Engineering. And from if you have from people in Tamil Nadu might know this SSN College, so Siva Subramanian Nadar College of Engineering. It's in OMR Road, so you might have heard about this college. So I finished my engineering in SSN, and then for civil services, yes, I have tried 9 attempts and 8 mains and 6 interviews. So this is the brief about me. So we'll go to the so this class. This is not a class. I was asked to give a brief about anthropology, or what you can expect in anthropology is what we will see now. And I hope I'll start the class now. So I hope it is visible and audible, and I'll start and I'll progress. So in for people in Tamil Nadu might know this. People in Tamil Nadu might know a person called as MGR and his songs. So I'll actually translate. Do not worry if anyone does not know Tamil also. I will translate each and every word. But songs have to be sung in the same language. That is why. So there was a person MGR, and he used to say that ஏன் என்ற கேள்வி இல்லாமல் வாழ்க்கை இல்லை. That means why there is no there is no life without you asking why, the question why. So why you should read anthropology, why you should read civil services examination, why you should do something. Without this question, human beings are nothing. So we'll see more in as how our brain transformed, and why this why came about. That is also a very important thing, because only after this why came about, human beings became who they are. This wonderful creatures who have colonized the whole of earth, and they are now going to Mars and moon and something like that. But anyways, why? So you should know for anything why. But actually this was MGR's dialogue of why you should know something. But But in civil services, so for example, in civil services, CSE, civil services examination. So if I am writing some spelling error also, please do not mind, because I'm writing in this board. So sometimes this error does occur. But in civil services examination, you should also know two more questions. Actually, what, okay, what, how, and why. These three questions is what defines civil services examination. Many would know. See, that is the point. The same story, Mahabharata story, they will transform into many stories and make it into movies. That is the thing in film industry everywhere. But the story, what is the story of any movie you take, any movie, it will be Mahabharata or Ramayana, both. This two story only, it will be the story of these two things. But what I am trying to say through that is that UPSC questions. So UPSC, any topic, you take any topic, you take any GS paper, you take GS paper 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or whichever paper, or anthropology. Okay, take a question from that. Take a question from that. If you analyze the question, they will be worded differently. Okay, they will be this is something. They will word something in some paper, and they will word it in different way. But everything will actually fit into these three words: what, how, and why. And that is what you should know for every topic. Every topic. So you should definitely ask me what. So first we'll start with this what. Okay, in anthropology, what is there in anthropology that I should study this paper is what you should ask the first question. So you study the what. I hope the chat is open, because I would like to, because if I ask something, please do reply also, so that I can make because if there is a question, so I can actually make amendments to that. So the question is that, so I'll make a question now. Okay. So Siva Subramaniam. So Siva Subramaniam. My name is Sivaraja Rajendran. So similar name. Okay. But now come to the point. So in anthropology, what is the syllabus? So human being. This is what is anthropology. Okay. This is what is anthropology, and whatever is related to human beings, we will be studying that. Whatever human beings, whatever it is there, we are going to study. So now you are going to tell me, now you will tell me, okay, now you will tell me, human being, now you are going to tell me the biological, or in a sense that, so as a person, so you would daily look into the face of the mirror. So see, this is anthropology now. Okay, this is not some philosophy class. This is anthropology. I'll get to the syllabus. See, directly getting to the syllabus, what is there in the syllabus, telling this is the syllabus, that does not interest someone in the subject. Okay, you should have some backstory. Okay, or backstory, or chinna kada, or flashback you should have. So the flashback is this: human beings are there. So we have this biological part. You would see each person, or you would have seen you would see the mirror every day. What is that most defining features? Or see, and another thing, one more thing I forgot to tell. See, this is anthropology. Okay, this and relatively it is in for medicines. So anyone who's a doctor, they will know. For medicine, they have one semester or one paper, anthropology paper is there. So anthropology is somewhat related to medicine, biology. Okay, so we'll discuss so many physical features, anatomical features, anatomy, other outer structure of some features. Okay, so you should this is subject, subject. Okay, but do not take it anything, because many would have studied engineering college or some other degree. It will be a different aspect. But anthropology has some biology also, mainly biology, and it is defined using all these things. So you should not wonder why he is talking about all these things, because it is important. So biological features like anatomy. Okay, anatomy is outer structure. What is that most defining feature of so first, what do you see in mirror? What do you see in mirror first? Decent
A replica of our things.
sound any okay sound
A replica of our things.
Okay, that replica. Okay, so sound is also enabled. Replica of things first. What? Sivasubramanian, very good. Face. That point. First one, what is that most important attractive thing is space. Okay, and okay. Next important. Okay, I'll give the clue. Adha na first clue kudutharen. Adukapra yana ishtathukku you should not say. Okay. Second important thing is that what is that everyone keeps as a symbol or Congress symbol, what is that symbol? Or Buddha symbol? Have you seen what is that important feature which is there in the body? Hand. Okay, actually, others also can answer, hand. Very important. And third most important is what is the most important thing for a bureaucrat, IAS officer? So you are going to be an IAS officer. What is the most important thing that an IAS officer should have? Just a moment. Okay, I'll take the watch. So class time also, please watch it because we should not overshoot the class. Anyways, okay. So what is the most important thing? Hair? No, Nishant. Hair? Hair? No, hair, not hair. Supriya? Okay, skull. Okay, this is head. Okay, face is skull. What is that most important thing? Oh, what most important thing an IAS officer is hair. Eye. Okay. Most important thing for an IAS officer is brain. No, it is spine. It is spine. You should be. Have you seen in GS paper? Not no brain, no brain. And brain is important. See, brain is important. But spine. Have you seen a word in GS paper 4 called as integrity? What is that meaning? Integrity. Your ability to tell this is what is the problem, sir. Please do not do this mistake. Otherwise, people are going to get hurt. Every IAS officer should be able to tell this. Without this, only the problem is coming. So many irregular decisions are being taken. Okay, spine. Okay, spine is very important. The backbone. So that is why we stand. And another very important okay, I will tell you this because many other answers will come. And one feature which is very attractive, one feature which is very attractive in human body is this hip, and it is the technical name pelvis. Okay, hip. Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you also. Okay, fifth important. What made us humans? Do you know? In your body, it is in your body. Okay, it is in your body. That is what made you humans. Very good. Sivasubramaniam படிச்சிட்டீங்களா ஓகே எல்லாத்தையும் படிச்சிட்டோம் okay very nice legs yes we'll study this you'll study this but you know what this is the part actually we'll see the philosophical angle anthropological biological everything but I'll tell you this factor legs are something which are considered as impure see the irony I will tell you the irony legs are something which are considered as impure. Okay, beginner only. Very good. Okay, very good. Okay. Got it. Actually, the irony, some aspect is there. It will mean the opposite. Aதாவது legs, if you see what people think generally. Okay, so when you come inside the house, they ask you to leave your chappal or something outside. It is for some other reason. Okay, we'll talk about that. But legs are something which is called as impure. But you know what? This is what made you human. This is what your legs. I'll tell you how and all. Okay, but this is the most. So this is the most important thing. And next comes the. So this is the biological feature. This is the biological feature. Next most important thing is cultural feature. I'll define this as well. Okay. Next important thing for a human being. Okay, you are what is that very important for you? Okay, for you, what is the most important thing? Okay, what is the most important thing for if I ask you, okay, interview question, UPSC interview, they ask you this question: what is the most important thing for you in this world? What is that most important thing? Okay. Language. Okay. Ashok, language is most important, but language the most important? I'm asking. See, if I am I'll tell you this scenario. This is very, very unique to human beings. Uh, if I am seeing someone drown, let us assume that my child or someone is drowning. Immediately, wouldn't you jump? Or do humans have this habit of jumping even when they know they will also drown? Okay, you should know no other animal will
Consciousness. Consciousness.
Consciousness, humanity.
Consciousness.
Okay, consciousness, humanity, but the basic family. Kudumam, Metivoli, Kudumam. Have you not seen all these things? Character, okay. Charles, character is important, but family, social institution, okay, social institution, okay. But the family, then a first can see, think about it, na? Anyone see why you are actually we live in this world, but we jump for saving someone who is if a family member is a UPSC GS paper 4 they asked this question, Sariana question in case study they asked this question. You are going for an UPSC interview, on the way you see someone from your family accident, they get hurt in an accident, what you will do? This is the case study they asked. Okay, but Anna, you think about it, UPSC interview, but you are going for going on the road, but you see your family member hurt. Immediately, won't you actually attend to that UPSC interview? Then you will go away, right? Family, that is what most important. And how would you make a family? Okay, how would you make a family? Marriage. Okay, how do you make a family? Marriage. And how do you make a family? Is there any marriage? Very good, very good. And how would you make a marriage? See, again, no, and I'll also tell you, okay, for me, there is no religion. Okay, no religion. I don't believe in religion, and God, yes, I do believe. I don't believe in any religion. I don't believe in any language supremacy. I don't believe in any caste supremacy, and I don't believe. So, in general, to feel associated, very good, morally associated. So I'll make this confession, okay, and I don't believe this fact that what is that? Men are superior. No, I don't believe in that fact. And in anthropology, what I learned was women and men actually are so powerful. Both are powerful. But in our situation, our society, men have taken this concept of power, Bahubali. Okay, Bahubali in we'll discuss everything in detail. Actually, women are also equivalently powerful to Bahubali, but the system of all these social customs and tradition we'll discuss, okay, one by one. So that is why if I make something or tell something, do not think that this fellow is partial to someone, partial to some religion, partial to some caste, partial to some language. No, including Tamil. Tamil is my language, including that. There is no superior language, there is no superior religion, there is no superior caste. This is my aim, or this is my thought. Okay, so if I make some statement, also do not take it personally. And as the class goes by, you will know me very well also. So that is why I'm clarifying in the first class itself. So marriage, okay, and how do you make this marriage work? Okay, both men and women. How do you make a marriage work? Do you know? Okay, so you are sorry, you guys might not have been married, right? Sorry. Understanding. Understanding. But how does understanding come? Economy, money. You should have money. Cooperation, yes. All that very good. Cooperation, yes. But practically, how would you handle? So practical aspects. Come to practical aspects. You have to have an economy, right? You have to have money. So family is important, marriage is important, and economy is important. And
Support.
when you
Support.
சொல்லுங்க.
Support is needed.
Support, okay. See, support I'm saying practical aspect. Support, cooperation, everything in detail in the chapter we will study. You get this point. Now I am just making a flow chart. okay, or flow chart. Biological, this is human being, human being, okay, human being. What is that important thing for human being we are discussing? So in biological we have discussed this. Cultural we are discussing one by one. Marriage, and another most important thing is actually being a leader. So you have a family, you have married, and you are economically strong, and you become an IAS officer. Then you know what, you are a leader. Actually, IAS officers are all leaders. Okay? Then the leader, the political system is very important. Okay? And after this political system is very important, you know what is very important? What is that final thing which is very important? What is that? What is that final thing after leader? Everything is for example all your attributes. So you belong to a family. Marriage, okay, you will be married anyways progressively someday very soon. And economy is very important, money is very important for everyone. And then leadership. Then what else is important for you? Kinship, very good. Kinship, friends. Can I say friends? Kinship is friendship, relationship, or relay, or okay. Then what else is important? Society. Okay, society is important, but God importantly, yeah. Kadavul, yeah. No, that person sitting above, is there anyone sitting above? Very important, la? So actually for uh, for my law and order the leader, very good. See, law and order la, in leader la Anand Raj, leadership, political la, law and order and all will come. Yeah, one, okay. Then God is very important la. For example, every time for interview, after interview, when you go to the interview, after that when result comes, you can ask anyone, okay, whatever they might have been, however strong they might have been, they will not know what the result is going to come. So final God, not religion. See, God தான் நான் சொல்றேன். God, religion is different. We will see everything separately. But isn't this all the very important thing? Correct? Am I making, see, are you getting this picture? In the what I said was, see here, what is in the sense that when you are studying something, okay, when you are studying something in UPSC, your most important thing should be what, okay, then how, then why. So in this, what we are in this three statement, we are seeing what. So what is that most important thing for human being we are seeing, okay? And that is the most important thing. And if you just a moment, so what is that most important thing? You have seen that picture la, adu paathukonga. So that is what is the syllabus. Actually what we have discussed is the syllabus, okay va? Adha we have discussed in a different way. I'll show you the syllabus. Adha directly if I show you the syllabus, it will not look good, okay? It will be a, see, adha, so human beings have this habit. So that is what we are going to study also. We have this habit of stories, and mythologies. We'll study everything. Why the story? We see. Why do we believe that story that someone sitting upside in the clouds? Do you really think? Do you really think? Is someone sitting and giving you? Is UPSC responsible for the result or God responsible for the result? சொல்லுங்க, கரெக்டா சொல்லுங்க. Anyone? UPSC, about there is no one sitting there. Is there no one sitting? UPSC, okay, very good. But no one is sitting. Is there someone sitting in the terrace? No. But anyways, so this is the syllabus, okay? I'll show you the syllabus now. And the point is that so this is so that is what this is not introduction come or demo class madri, okay? So no one is there. அப்படி சொல்லக்கூடாது. No one, someone would be there, might be there. We'll discuss the other சொல்றேன். There is I'll in the class I'll tell you whether someone is there or not. பாத்துருவோம், okay? Like in the Interstellar, have you seen that movie Interstellar? அதுல someone is there in some other dimension மாதிரி நம்ம will see. Okay, do not worry. Okay, nice, அதெல்லாம் பார்த்துடலாம். பட் அதுதான், this is some, I do not know whether this is an introduction class or a demo class. So I made it ஒரு syllabus I'll show you, and okay, we'll make it in the sense that இது ஒரு syllabus come what you are going to see in ஒரு nutshell மாதிரி, maybe teaser la. Okay, ஒரு teaser. Okay, one teaser, you know, என்னது இது for Vijay movie and Ajit movie, this teaser and all goes, let's teaser மாதிரி வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா, teaser. ஓகேவா. So my name is, so this is the point. So so I have written this 8 mains and the 6 interviews. So the syllabus, okay, just a minute. So this is the point. Okay, this is the point. If the images are not proper, and because I have in the last minute I made this, but the images are proper, I think. This is the human being, and what we are going to study is this. First is the skull. Someone said skull. Someone said, I asked what is the most important, face, they said, but the face full, what does that mean? Skull, you know. So we'll study about this. Next, see, this is hand mudra. If you are able to see hand mudra, this is the question they keep asking in preliminary examination. This is Buddha's mudra. What are all the different types of mudra? Or Baba mudra, have you seen Baba mudra? Or Congress symbol? Or MGR, have you seen? This hand is, we actually take it for granted. This hand, we are taking it so much for granted. But without this, and you know what? Without this thumb, this thumb, if you happen to see, without this thumb, I cannot do anything that a human being does. The thumb, and have you seen that Ekalaiv, or you would have seen that in Mahabharata? We'll discuss separately. But Mahabharata, the Guru Dakshina that the teacher asks, you know what? Guru Dakshina that the teacher asks, another thumb. Without this thumb, you cannot do anything, you know. Thumb. Why? That is the point. This hand is very important, you know. And this mudra is what and the next important thing is okay, this is the spine. Okay, we will study if you are able, see, if the image is not proper enough, it's far enough. There are 4 parts in the Madhi. We will study each part clear. Okay, then it's good. So this spine is very important. So that we will study. Next, see this image. You know what this image is? Kila or image has it come? Yeah. So have you seen this dancing girl? Somewhere? Have you not seen the poses in Instagram? Instagram post Mohanjadar, dancing girl Mohanjadar, okay. But Instagram, they have this same post, history. But have you not seen this post in Instagram? No. But have you seen one other thing? Have you seen this? This post is what is called as Tribanga. Okay, this was asked in UPSC. Prelims question is it? Tribanga. This is what is Tribanga. Tribanga na 3 pose. So this one pose, neck one pose, and leg one pose. The most important thing is this hip pose. Okay. If you see so many, if you see so many sculptures, yeah, in whichever temple you go, in Tamil Nadu or Kerala or Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, or northern temple also. Northern temple little less is there, but the southern, so below Vindhyas, whichever temple you go, you will see this pose in a different manner. Pose will be there, but it will be more how to put it, more elegant and more pleasing. So many things will be there. But what is this means? This hip is important, right? And as I said, the last thing is the leg. Okay? So a human being, what we are going to see, we are going to see all these things. And the next thing what we are going to see is this is what is important. I asked, you didn't see the, so did you see that I think IPL, what was that match actually? IPL match, last 2 days ago, 3 days ago, IPL match, I didn't see. Chennai Super Kings won. IPL finals are there. What was that? Oh, finals, Oh, அதுதானா அது? Okay, okay. I didn't know. Actually, I didn't know, but one image actually stuck me. Okay, one image stuck me. I think this image you would have seen, right? One image stuck me, and this image was that, right? This was the image, la. And I was like, okay, what was the match? Then only I saw, okay, there was a match and things like that. Okay, so this is the point, la. The family, then the first thing, yeah. Whatever be the case, okay, whatever you be Dhoni, you be Kohli, you be whatever you are, but ultimately family will be important. So that is what we study in the first thing. Yeah, and next is this. Someone said, la, kinship. Yeah, someone said kinship. What is kinship? Have you seen this kinship? Is it bothering Friends, have you seen the serial Kinship? Have you seen the serial Nova? No one watches movie la பாப்பீங்களா? Okay, movie la பாருங்க, ஓகேவா? So we'll and in the class la நிறைய movie I'll tell you, okay? நிறைய so many movies will have this reference of all these movies. But second, the most important thing is kinship. Actually, kinship, friendship, all one. And most other important thing is next important thing is, this is the most important thing in life. Yeah, Gandhiji is the most important thing. This is economy. Whether Gandhiji is respected because he is a leader, or whether he is respected because he is in this note. Yeah, it's a question that we have to ask. Whether he is valued for his values, so, or whether he is valued only because he's it's a very tough thing. But anyways, that is what I said. The next important thing is leaders. Yeah, leaders. So family, kinship, family, here in family, marriage will come. Okay, marriage, kinship, everything. Then economy, then leaders are very important. Then this is important. Okay, so there are in life, there are so many questions that might arise. We may not know the answer, but answer, that is what in UPSC, who will clear, who will not clear, God's only will say. And now I will show you the portion. So okay, so this is what, so I think I hope this was clear, right? So I'll show you the portions. You should also know that syllabus is very important. See, syllabus might look complicated, but it's not complicated. That is why I started from here. Syllabus, the words might look complicated, but this is the syllabus we are going to see. If you are able to see this chart now, this is the simple syllabus that we will see now. I will show you the syllabus now. Yeah, and you should also understand that it's not in a class, so I will not know what you are, because in class I would actually suggest you something, but in Zoom class this is the problem. I cannot know where you stand, whether you understand or things like that. If you are not understanding also, please do put it. But in this syllabus, if you have, please open the syllabus and check it. Yeah, open the syllabus and check it. As I tell you, the syllabus வந்து continuous-ஆ பாருங்க. Okay? So see this. The social aspect I will show you. Social aspect I will show you. See this and the paranga. These are the syllabus. Culture, okay. Culture, if you are able to see 2.1, okay, idella brief now. And you know what? These two concepts will be useful for GS paper 1. GS paper 1, you have social issues. Social issues, And these two topics, 2.1, 2.2, will be useful for that, GS paper 1. But these are broad terms, okay, broad terms. But in depth where we go means family. Sorry, first marriage, okay. That's correct. First marriage is important. Yeah. And So marriage is important. So what are all the different types of marriages? What is what is marriage? Marriage na in we'll see everything. Okay. Then this family is also important. See, check it. Second is family. Are you following it? Have you taken the, or should I wait for PDF? Please, if you have something in mobile phone or something, you have this syllabus with you. Do you have the syllabus? Okay, syllabus Anna, please, because in class I can tell you in person in the Mari syllabus, please open it. Na? But you should know on the other side. Otherwise, what we teach or what I teach here, you might not get that correctly. Okay? And see here, next topic another kinship. Sorry. This is friendship. Kinship is friendship now. Okay. That is different types of kinships are there. We'll see each one. What is that each kinship and how there is a what is that movie in the Nadodigal, you know. See, and if I make some movie reference, that only will be in Tamil. Okay, no, I will not make anything else in Tamil because these are movie dialogues. Okay, or dialogues I cannot translate like in Hollywood movies. I cannot translate. I'll tell the dialogue and I'll tell it in English also. Samudra Kaniya, someone is there. I know you. குத்துனது நண்பனா இருந்தா கேட்கவே கூடாது. Something, have you heard that dialogue? Sasikumar, Sasikumar, yes. Sasikumar. So குத்துனது நண்பனா இருந்தா கேட்கவே கூடாது. அது எப்படிடா கேட்காம. So it is like if you are being, so what that means is that if you are being stabbed and you find that it is your friend, you should not ask anything. Hey, it's not how they keep dialogues like this, I do not know, but anyways, that is the meaning, right? So and why is that? Why is Sasi Kumar stressing on that point? You know, if somebody is stabbing you, will you look at that person and slap that person or stab him again, or you will say okay, friend, we'll leave? Why in one aspect why he is saying is that because of the kinship, that is what he is meaning. Yeah, to make this bonding strong. Yeah, and we'll discuss why and what is the genetic aspects, everything. And as I said, next is very important, this money. Next very important thing is money. Money is always important, will always be important, very important. Okay. And see, and other things. Fourth is this political leadership. And someone said law and order. Law and order. See here, the point is here. Leaders, under leaders everything will come. Law and order, justice. What is justice? Everything. This fourth. And the next most important thing is this religion, God. And one more point is there. I think first somebody said language. You know, here language is there. I said language, but language is important. Language is important, but it comes in the seventh. Okay. So this is cultural, and first is I'll show you now. So in this, if you happen to see, okay, in this now coming to this portion. So I hope cultural part is clear. Cultural angle, or what in the sense that what is that in the syllabus, in the part, this part. Okay, next part on the will be I'm going to give you the next part. Okay, next part is this biological. Why this starting with this hand, face, spine, why? Because see, that is what I said. We have seen the what. What is human being is this. Yeah, you see this person every day. You see your face, you see your hand, you see your spine, you see your hip, you see your legs every day. But what is the difference between? So do you think? See, and you know what? Have you seen some cow or horse? Okay, have you seen that? Are they any different from you? Do you know, are they any different? They also have face, they also have hand, they also have spine, they also have hip, they also have legs. Is there any difference you see from you and the, or if you happen to see some dog, a dog anyone has in their home, they can't talk. Okay. But Sai and Sika, do you know they can't talk? If you, whether if Dr. Doodle no movie irukku. Have you seen Dr. Doodle? They can't communicate. Okay, they can communicate. Yes, they can communicate, but they can't talk. Okay, very good. But what I'm saying is that, do you see any resemblance? So we think that, see, what is beautiful? If I ask you, you might say Aishwarya Rai, okay, or some other person, okay. But why don't they can communicate but can't talk? Very good. Is the point correct? But what I am trying to put through is that, uh, how are these features unique to human beings? You should know how they came about. La? See, these are features which are very unique to believing myth and cooperation forming society. Okay. Okay, very okay, very அதெல்லாம் வந்து in class all these myth cooperation very அதெல்லாம் வரும். But if you happen to see, you should know how this came about. La. I told you what, how, why. So you should know how this came about. So have you ever thought whether how this face came about, or how this hand came about? Everything you should know, right? Spin in erected poses, everything erected poses, empty evolution. Very good. That is the point. So this is the point, la, evolution. But Anna, but I will show you one. This is evolution, but I will show you one small story. Okay, in next class, the detail see, and 1 hour class now, so everything detailed I cannot say. Next class I will tell you detail how it came, but how this came about, I will show you your ancestor. Okay, you want to see your great great grandfather, great great grandmother, I will show you now. Okay, do you think they had the same face, same hands, anyone? How would they have looked relatively now? If for example, some animal might have looked like them. What animal that might be? You get this point, la? Our ancestor, my grandfather, grandmother, they looked in some way, but what animal in the present might resemble those grandfathers, grandmother? Chimpanzee. Okay, direct chimpanzee now. Okay, but okay, chimpanzee, everyone. So chimpanzee lock kar diya jaye, lock kar diya jaye, lock kar diya jaye, ye la hota hai. But you know what, this was like our first ancestor. I'll show you that. See, it's the first ancestor. எப்படி இருக்கு? Do you any resemblance? Do you see any resemblance? Any resemblance is there? Monkey can, monkey, chimpanzee I accept, okay, but this is what the first evolution. I'll tell the story in class, how this came about, but this is called as tree shrews. Okay, this is where this point started. Everything started. What was the starting point? Starting point was initial. Okay, first okay, I'll tell you 4.5 billion year story, that is. But humans, as we, so for example, our eyes, our teeth, our hands, see that hands and the hands baranga, five fingers, where that finger came from on the baranga. So next, next our ancestor looked like this, something. It is called as lemurs. Somewhere something like this. And the next is something like this. Tarsiern. Name, see, that is what you should know. You should understand these are our grandfathers and grandmothers. Same Sasi Kumar Sondamadina. Same Sasi Kumar says, right? Without knowing your grandfather, grandmother, what we will do, So we should know who our grandfathers and grandmothers were. something. See, they were not. See, they were not. I'm not saying they actually from here. So something like this tarsier something. Yeah. Next is what the new. So slowly evolution. Okay, somebody said evolution, right? Slowly evolved into this new world monkey. Next is slow evolution. This world, இது வந்து old world monkey or Hanuman. So our so that is why we have this closeness to Hanuman. So in the sense that in Ramayana, why Rama has Hanuman as their friend now we have come closer. இப்போ வந்துரும் பாருங்க. இப்போ next comes this is Gibbon. Yeah, Haluk Gibbon. And this is a preliminary question. Haluk Gibbon is the only primate. I will tell you what is the meaning now. See, and meaning everything in class now. Okay? This I am telling you what is the gradual progression, how it progressed from New World monkeys, then Old World monkeys, then this Gibbon came, then this fellow came, another fellow comes, and this fellow comes, orangutan. Okay? Then this fellow comes, orangutan. See, slowly evolution starts. Slowly some changes, but you can see this old world monkey which I said, or the Hanuman. See, it actually looks like your face, or sorry, okay, my face, okay, whichever face you want. You look very closely in the mirror, you will see the resemblance. Okay, there is, see that, and the nose, everything is the same. There, what is the point in next? So from orangutan, then comes this point. See, next comes this this is gorilla. Okay, then this comes. Then this after this chimpanzee comes. Your chimpanzee is not direct ancestor. Okay? After this chimpanzee comes, and after this, okay, the screen the human. Next is human. Okay, this is the progression. Okay, you should know. You need not know this in detail. But or a small story if you know, because in answer writing they will not focus on this very much. But what I am trying to say is that how we came, how you should know this, right? Yes, evolution, but from where it progressed from, for example, 70 million years, not 1 year, 2 year, 70 million years it took to on the first or rat, you saw one rat kind of thing, from that to this face, this hand, this spine, this hip, everything which we see as so beautiful started here, started in something which we actually do not think that if you ask anyone whether this is a beautiful, anyone would say this is beautiful. No one would say this is beautiful, right? But the concept is that all the beautiful features that human beings have started from here. Okay, we will study that in the class now. Okay, this is a story, small story. But what I wanted to take, why it is important means in syllabus, for example, you have to know how. Yes, evolution. Yeah, you have to know how, and that is what is in the syllabus. You look at the syllabus. Now you look at the syllabus. So now come to the syllabus. So here in cultural part we have gotten over. The cultural part is over. So here, this is paper 1, my friends. Paper 1. Yeah. And here, from here, if you happen to see from here, okay, I'll tell this part. Okay, what this part means I'll tell separately. But if you come to this part, if you see this word, okay, if you see this word, evolutionary trend and primate taxonomy, evolutionary trend, what I just showed you, okay, what I just showed you, that is evolutionary trend. Okay, how it came about, what it came about, what adaptations, how it happened. From that finger, if you see that finger, how did this fingers come? How did this face come? Why did this come? That and all we will see. Yeah, and you see this living major primates. Someone said chimpanzees are our closest cousin. This is living major primates. We see, and one more thing. What is important for exam, I'll tell in the class. Okay, just I'm explaining all these things. Whatever I showed you as a picture in a teaser, syllabus la apde it is there. Because syllabus la it is important. And next, see this. And what are all the changes which took place? Skeletal changes. These are all very important topics. We'll deal each one. Skeletal changes. How it changed? You should know, right? How it changed, or when it changed, what impact it had. One change when it happens has millions of impact. So what was the impact, and you should know. Okay. Next. So keep the syllabus with you so that you will understand. And the next is this line, see, and I'll so here we have come. So till chimpanzees we have come. Chimpanzees, someone told chimpanzees are our cousin, very good. But from chimpanzee directly we did not come. From chimpanzee there was a person called as Australopithecus. Each one class lada we can say, but I am just telling you, names might sound like different. See, I think my name is Sivaraja Rajendran. Okay? Every time if I in North India, if I go, they will find it very difficult to pronounce them. Even today, if I tell them, or if I studied in Kendriya Vidyalaya, so I used to tell my friends, many of them from Assam, Uttar Pradesh, and many were there. I used to tell them, they Sivaraja Rajendran. They will not pronounce it correctly. That is the way idella. These are not difficult, but they were my friends. You should understand that they were my friends. Yeah, they knew me well, everything well. So same way, you will know all these well. Do not worry. Yeah, all these are simple or simple, not simple, very enlightening things. But names, yes, it will be a little difficult. If I pronounce some name now, it will be little difficult. But name now. But when you get to know the person, when you get to know the person, when you get to know Australopithecus, you will definitely know the name, right? There will not be any problem. Next, Homo habilis. Habilis. Okay, habilis. Habilis. In class, correct spelling, we'll discuss everything. But so 1111 persona, someone is coming. Next. Homo erectus. Okay, Homo erectus. Next, Neanderthals. Yeah, Neanderthals. These are all names. Yes, all these are actually wonderful people. If you get to know them, you will actually like every one of them. I will show you the pictures, and I have these pictures also. Okay? Homo erectus, Homo habilis, Australopithecus, everyone's picture is there. Okay? All their Instagram IDs also I know. So we'll follow them and we'll understand them so that we'll like them also. Next, this after this Neanderthals comes human beings. Yeah, this is how we came. So how we came is not a simple one-day journey. Okay? It's not a one-day journey. But now come to the syllabus. Now come to the syllabus. So I showed you this. Now see this syllabus. See this syllabus. Have you seen this word? See this Australopithecines. So Australopithecus. The Australopithecines is plural. So next, see here, Homo erectus. Yeah. And these are all versions. So iPhone version 1, 2, 3, 4 iPhone 1, but version 1, 2 till 13. Same phone ulta 13. So same Homo erectus, but they will have different name. Heidelbergensis, so Pekensis. I will tell you in class. Yeah. Same. Next to see this Neanderthals. Same versions different. iPhone version 13. This is Samsung version different. And Homo sapiens. This is humans. But we also had 3 different versions. So on the versions we will talk in class. Yeah. So how this came about is that somebody told evolution, right? So in the see here 1.4 ABC, 1.4 ABC. This is the process. That is, whatever I have told you is evolution, but somebody had to explain how it happened. And that explanation is the process, and this is the three ABC. This is what is the syllabus. Okay. So, and I hope this is clear. Is it clear now? So, iduvareki clear? Done.
Yes, sir.
Done. So, one more last one more. I'll tell this. Uh, Done. So, last is this. Okay. So, next is this. Actually, the second paper over here we have to see, but anyways, so okay. Anyway, so I'll show you one last paper one we'll complete, and I think that will be six till six. Till six is there. So and see again, we have discussed how why sorry what and all we have discussed. Okay, we have discussed what we have discussed how next syllabus what is important is why, right? Why you should read. Now comes MGR. Okay, now comes MGR. Why you should read. Now, why it becomes very important for you to read all these things? Why you should bother about something which has happened millions of years ago? You know, millions of years ago. Millions of years ago, why should we remember something? Why? Because it actually has impacts in day-to-day activities. You know, there is a concept called as racism. Okay, there is a concept other different, and we might think that it is not impacting, you know. But in class, I will tell you, I used to have this. It's true. Many who are darker, you should ask them. You know, really, you ask them. There is a different sense of feeling. It is a very and more so if it happens to be a girl. Yeah, even for boys, they have this concept called as illalla karuparnalu is okay. Men should be darker only. Have you seen this dialogue? Men should be darker. Who is to say that? But India, if you come, fair and lovely is very important. And I think in TikTok or something, they have this filter now. Some filter is going on. All these are dangerous filters. That is, women having this, what to say, darker faces, then they have this transition and they become white. This is very dangerous, and the transition is very dangerous. But the point is that what that means now, human beings have this problem. Why this problem comes, everything class now. But why we should read anthropology now to actually tackle this. Okay, next very important. For you become an so for example, it's true. Anand, true is it? Forensic. Okay, you become an IPS officer. Okay, you have to investigate, right? When in investigation, how do you find that in skull? Whose skull is that? Yeah, or there is a movie today, and in every class I will see. And again, I will not say only in the book. I will also give movie suggestion. That becomes an habit for me. And movie is nice. And have you see this movie called as Hindi movie Talwar? Yeah, it is about a infamous, actually Arushi murder case. In 2008, it became a very big issue. Arushi, have you heard this case? Arushi murder case. Have you heard it? No? 2008, all were in 10th class. 8 caliber. No, you have not heard. Okay. Okay. Please go and Google it. Google it. Okay, Arushi murder case. This was a sensational. It was a very sensational case in India 2008. It actually changed a very it was a huge problem. Okay, every channel covered this case now. But why I am saying is that you see this movie. No, okay, Charles and everyone see this movie. Okay, today download this movie. Homework, okay, homework is downloading this movie Talwar, and you see this. In that, how they find that, how they find this fingerprint, how they find this blood test, how they find all these things. Where do you get all the points for all that? Anthropology, it is in anthropology. So why to read all this evolution stuff and everything? You can have real time benefits, right? Next, you should know also that there are something called as one in the sense that this adaptation, okay, adaptation. That is, for example, you have in the sense that you have this habit. For example, if I or really it happens whenever I go to Delhi for interview, it will be, if it is in Forest Service interview, not February, yeah, it will be the coldest month. Very hard to adapt. Yeah, very hard to adapt. But certain people are good in cooler areas and not able to adapt in hot areas. That we should read, right? Or that we should understand, right? Otherwise, how can I go to, for example, Delhi? How will I go to interview? Or someone from very colder temperate Britain and France, how would they come to India? We should know how people adapt because of this temperature and all. And where do you find the answer for this? Anthropology. Next, I think this 8 stages, Rajini's 8 stages, Basha, Manidan Valke Pirichuko. And actually, it is Shakespeare's song. Have you heard that song? Rajini's song. But it is a Shakespeare song. Okay? Shakespeare or a song, okay? But anyways, Shakespeare had written this 8 stages. So 8 stages is there. But anyways, nice. Inspirational. Okay, Atli or word now. Inspiration. Okay, they got inspired. Okay, there is no inspiration. Okay, but anyways, human intelligence, inspiration. Okay, so 8 stages are there for human. And what is that? Now, growth. That is, you are, so for example, you are a child, then you become an adult, then you become a little old. Okay, so next stage. So I am in that stage. So after completing 9 attempts in UPSC, next stage. Okay, little bit old, a little bit not old. So on Madi stage. Next is this. Next is older. Then finally. So teen. Okay, teen lam. See teen. Teenage adult. See teenage is here. Then finally, okay. Areo Samboda. Okay. So this final katam. So that is what we see in syllabus. See here in syllabus. So katam less syllabus and katam. Okay. So here, for example, I'll show you that. So why it is important. Okay. So here. See here, race and racism, very important topic. Then this concept of ecological adaptations, very important topic. And these are all things, see, other than everything, I cannot see 1 hour, I cannot push everything. So that is why, how much ever I am possible, I'm trying to explain. This is the syllabus, I'm trying to say that. Then see this human growth and development is there. See here, the word, okay, and applications. Then you will have the so many. Forensic anthropology is an important question. That is why I took that. So like this, so many things are there. And one more important feature of anthropology is human genetics. This is one strange. This whole is it. I think in the first, I think Charles and Shilpa, I think, would know this. This fact I have told. So we'll close the class with that fact. Okay, va? I'll tell this fact. Genetics. Other than the portion on the genetics. See this portion. Genetics portion. Are you able to see this? Human genetics. Yeah. Genetics means gene. Okay, DNA. Each thing we will see in class very elaborately. But I will tell you one feature. Do you know this fact that you know what is your height? Okay, what is your height? How maximum height evlo? Maximum distance, if I ask you to cover, what will be the maximum distance you can cover? If I ask you to cover, question புரியும் நினைக்கிறேன். If I ask you to cover, கீழ படுத்துட்டு இல்ல stretch பண்ணிட்டு with your body தான், with your body, if I ask you to cover a distance, how long will you be able to cover? Maximum distance you can. Your height, question understood la? Are you 7 feet? Okay, super, very good, very good. Maximum 7 feet you can cover. Anyone else more than that? Lock कर दिया जाए 7 feet था ना, अधिक मला. See, I also see, and the point is that why I ask question is that I will take some break la. So I'll otherwise see, and otherwise the voice box मर जाएगा. Yeah. 7 feet only. See, you understood. See, if I ask you to lie down, or if I ask you to stretch your hand, how long can you actually measure, or how long can you go? 7 feet, 10 feet, 100 feet, 1 kilometer. Okay. Answer all of them 7 feet. So okay, but I will tell you this. See, your body has, okay, your body has something called a cell. Have you heard this fact? Cell, this you know, right? Everyone would have basic biology. This you would have known that everyone has a cell. Yeah. Cell wall was asked in UPSC prelims question as cell wall. Yeah. This time they asked what is mitochondria. I mean, what illa? There was a question on mitochondria as well. We will discuss that. But anyways, you have cell. Okay. And you know what? Your cell, inside your cell, there is something called as nucleus. This is nucleus. Okay. Why genetics is important? This is a fact. I will tell you this. And inside this nucleus is what is called as DNA. Yeah, DNA. It will be like this. It's a double helical structure. You would have seen this, you know. So, இது ஒரு cell, inside your cell there is a nucleus, inside the nucleus is a DNA. You know what? If I ask you to remove this DNA or this genetic code, this double helical structure which is in this nucleus, the length, you know, it is 2 meters. Are you understanding the calculation? If you, for example, if I ask you to remove this DNA which is inside this one nucleus, and if I actually lie it down, it is 2 meters. Okay, wow. And you know what? This is in one cell, and your body contains 33 trillion cells. Your body contains 33 trillion cells. You multiply this 2 meters into this 33 trillion cells, your distance reaches DNA. Can we know DNA by blood? Anandraj, we'll discuss that in class. Okay? But the calculation is that 33 trillion cells into 2 meter. Your body has 33 trillion cells. One cell has 2 meter worth of DNA. So you multiply that, it actually goes higher than the distance of this solar system. So you are walking with a distance which is more far than our solar system. 1%, not 2% or 3%. 1% can actually reach the far side of the solar system with the genetic material which is inside their body, and that is why we read this genetics. You know what? This will be enough. Any doubt you can ask. 6 o'clock, we can. Is there any doubt in the syllabus or something? You understood the calculation? Okay, so can we close it? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So shall we close? Thank you. So thank you everyone. So I think this will be. So we'll have this closed, and I think they will take care of that. So hopefully we'll see each of us the next time also. Okay. So once the class starts, we class konjo see another thing. Class will be a little subject wise, not only story. Subject also is very important. So subject konjo venum. So each class I will tell you what to read so that we can have this as well. So we'll close it, and thank you everyone. So thank you.